When graphing a sine wave or a cosine wave, the first steps are to calculate the phase shift and period of the function. Once you know these two values, you can easily apply the 5-point method and produce the graph. The start of a wave is at the phase shift. For a sine wave with no phase shift, this starting point is the origin where y is equal to 0. To find the phase shift, often denoted by phi, we take the negative of c divided by b. For this example of y equals 3 sine of the quantity 2x minus 1, the phase shift is a positive 5/10. This means that the standard wave position will be shifted a half unit to the right when graphed. The second step is to calculate the period for the wave being graphed. The period, often referred to as t, is found by dividing the normal period of 2 pi by b. For this example, we must divide the normal period by 2. This gives us a period of pi, which is approximately 3 1400. We now calculate the 5 essential points that we must know in order to get an accurate fix on where the curve will be located. Let's go through these points one at a time. The first point gives us the start of our sine wave. Since the phase shift is 1/2, the point will be located at x equals 1/2 and y equals 0. The second point is located a quarter of the way through the period and will be a crest of the sine wave. The x value is found by adding a quarter of a period to the phase shift. The y value, because it is a crest, will be equal to the amplitude. The third point is located halfway through the period. The x value is found by adding half of a period to the phase shift, and we will again have a y value of 0. At the 3/4 point, the sine curve dips down and forms the bottom of a trough. For this point, we find it has an x-coordinate of almost 3 and a y-coordinate of -3. The last of our points marks the end of a complete cycle, or one period of the sine wave. This point will be located a full period to the right of the starting phase shift and once again have a height, or y value, of 0. Now draw a smooth curve connecting the 5 points that have been plotted.